Okay, so this is Shukkeien Garden, and we were free, but she still gave us tickets. We showed them our driver's license, our California driver's license, and got us in free. That's cool looking. Oh, look at all the flowers. These are tiny irises. Weird. Micro irises. Super fun. Peony garden. More irises. This looks like a crepe myrtle, but I'm not sure it is.
How pretty.
Of course, we're not going to see everything here. This is no, like a giant azalea, not azalea though, rhododendron. I remembered. More azalea, rhododendron, whatever they are. Japanese maple, maybe? Or marijuana. Mary Jane. Look at this. So the cherry blossoms are mostly gone from this park. I guess we could walk around the lake here. Oh, it's a real Japanese garden. Uh-oh. Look down in the water, all the cherry blossoms. Got us a traffic jam here. Janet can't get around. Oh, they got around. So there's other trails that I'm not going to take. So we can take the bridges. Koi!
I don't think she's going to teach you on this bridge.
Over here? A boat! How smooth. Somebody cut me off. But they're narrating for us. Hi!
Hi!
Oh, look at this. This is like a storybook land at Disneyland, right? A little boat ride. to go up there? Rice field? Root. I think there's a maze down there. Look at the cherry blossoms on the ground down there. Probably not going to get up here in a wheelchair. Photo spot. We are up at the top, and it's pretty beautiful, but so's Janet. Pretty beautiful. But look at that bamboo. Let's go through it. I guess you can't walk through the bit. Oh yeah, there you can. So we'll go around this way. Herbal garden. Don't see any herbs. Look at the bamboo. Is that bamboo growing new ones? They look weird. Hey, the gardener. Oh, I guess this is the herbal garden. So they keep it thin. You know what? Let's go that way. Oops. Oh, this is a cherry tree. And those are cherry blossoms growing out of the trunk and growing all over the ground. And this is a maze, but it's an easy maze. Here's a river.
After the atomic bomb, people said no wood plant for 75 years. So such tree gave strength and courage to the people.
Hey, now you're in the video.
See it?
Look at this tree.